perfect.
It's brilliant. The building is fabulous. It's a wonderful, wonderful venue.
A place where I always look forward to coming to.
You can really tell that it's been set up to allow people to collaborate.
You could use it as space for shared meetings where it's not one organisation necessarily, neutral territory, so to speak.
It's a great community to be part of.
Like, we can just imagine ourselves being in it and the sort of productivity that we'll get from it.
The Catalyst in particular has loads of different facilities depending on what you'd like to achieve. So we have a theatre that we can hold events in, we have workshops, and we also have small meeting rooms that we can do breakout sessions in as well. Part of the reason why Nick D is a good partner for these kind of things is because we understand exactly what you want to try and achieve from these events before we start. We work really hard to figure out who are the people you're trying to impact, and what are the problems you're trying to solve, and then how can we help you to do